Welcome to my channel. I am Amal al-agroobi. Amal filmmaker Amal, and today in this video I am going to be speaking to you about making my first stop motion animation. Filmmaking is not only a form of expression but also a craft, and that's why we need to hone our skills, and we always need to make sure that we are shooting something. Now, while I was stuck in quarantine, I had to shoot something. I didn't have crew, I didn't have actors, so what could I do? I thought of stop motion animation. It's something I've always wanted to try. I could make the characters and I could set it up and I could just take photographs. My stop motion animation was called Elephant Rescue. It all started with an idea. So I had to develop an idea and I thought I'm going to keep it really simple. 2 characters. I was inspired by a film called Stems by Ainsley Henderson, and Ainsley Henderson used lots of trees and bits and leaves and electronics and things to create puppets. So I did the same thing. The first stage was finding knickknacks around the house and creating these puppets. All right, so I have my basket here. I'm just gonna forage. There are bits and pieces of things that I see that I like this, for example. I know that I could use this to add to my little forest. Oh, got some flowers. Gonna try and find some dead flowers from the garden here. I just pick the ones that are dead. Let's see. So, oh, this is cute. Look at this. Dead. Little dead thing. Some leaves. I like this. Look at this. This looks like some kind of creature that's just a leaf. I think that will work well for me. Next, I decided to focus on the production design. Usually you would have a production designer, they would dress a set, but I wasn't dressing a set, I was dressing a box that was an old water bottle box. I removed the front bit and I've cut a little hole in here because I'm making a little well. My story is about an elephant that gets stuck down a well and is rescued by this robot. So what I'm going to do now is just paint this area green and that area blue, as in sky, earth, and then begin my quote-unquote production design. I decided to paint it and use trees and leaves to create this jungle, and I had an idea and like a vision for what I wanted. I knew the colors I wanted to have, I knew the mood that I wanted to have. I kind of wanted it to be nighttime, and then I thought that's really stupid. Why would I shoot something kind of nighttime when you need light and then it's all about photographs? But then I'm an idiot, so I've done it already. The sky's gonna be dark. The first thing I did was paint it all, and then I started collecting things and gluing bits back on, and that maybe took me a couple of hours and then a little while to dry. I could see a lot of blues in there, I could see a lot of yellows in there. And I'm no gaffer, but I used the lighting that I had at home, lamps and lights from here and there, to create the ambiance that I wanted, the mise en scène, as they say. Okay, now it's the filmmaking process. So here's the camera and I have the light that I set up right here. Here is our interior. I have my sister on the camera who's gonna help, and we are gonna reenact the story with the elephant in Elephant Rescue. Then it came to shooting the actual thing. So I used my camera, which is a Canon 5D Mark III. Here you go, here it is. Took a few pictures, picture upon picture, and then put it in the editing program. Once I got it in the editing program, it was about trying to find the sounds and put sounds to the characters, the leaves. I actually went outside and I did some Foley so that I could add that to the film. Okay, so I'm gonna record some sound for my stop motion. I'm gonna replace this with this. It's not a very windy day. It's not a very windy day, so I'm just gonna stand here, see if I can capture some bird sound for my forest. Still not happy with the sound. Should I do that? Once the sound was there and once the visuals were there, I exported the film. It turned out to be a 45-second film, which was perfect, and submitted it to film competitions. I really enjoyed myself making this short stop motion animation, and I would definitely recommend it to you, all you budding filmmakers out there, and all you budding everything else is out there. It's so much fun if you're just sitting at home and you want to create something for yourself. Till then, stay safe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Goodbye.